Hi there. In this video, we'll show you a fully automated option for issuing stamps to your buyers, which reduces staff involvement to an absolute minimum. This is the mode that uses a unique QR code printed directly on the receipt. It works incredibly simply. The cashier builds and closes a regular order in Poster as usual. At that exact moment, a special code is additionally printed on the printer along with the receipt. You hand this receipt to the customer. They scan the QR code with their smartphone camera, and within seconds they get a loyalty card in their Apple Wallet or Google Wallet if they didn't have one yet, and the required number of stamps is immediately credited to its balance. The cashier no longer needs to waste time looking up the client in the database. It's worth noting one crucial detail: stamps are only earned via the QR code on the receipt. Redemption and issuing rewards happen exactly as we discussed in our previous videos. Most often, the automated system issues a digital voucher to the customer for this. The buyer scans the receipt at the venue or at home, collects the stamps, the system remotely issues them a reward voucher, and during their next visit, they show this voucher to the cashier to redeem it through the Poster register. If you missed exactly how to correctly redeem such rewards to keep the register balanced, make sure to watch our previous video about the 3 gift processing techniques. What do you need to do to enable this mode? Everything can be set up in just a few seconds. On the Poster register, open the menu, Functions, Apps, 7th Stamp. In the settings window that opens, find the Stamping Mode switch and set it to Print QR Code on Receipt. Then choose the required card template for issuing rewards. Done. Now the system will automatically add a unique QR code to every printed receipt. Also, pay attention to exactly how the earning rules are configured in your 7-Stamp admin panel. In the stamp card template, you can flexibly specify the issuing logic. Either award exactly 1 stamp per purchase, regardless of the receipt total, or award stamps for every specific amount spent. For example, if you set the rule to 1 stamp for every €10 on the receipt, and a buyer places an order for €20, the system will automatically calculate the proportion, and after scanning the QR code, the customer will instantly receive 2 stamps on their card. This is a great way to motivate guests to buy more to get their reward faster. The automatic printing mode on receipts is the perfect solution for high-traffic locations, bakeries, and to-go coffee shops, where every second of the cashier's time is worth its weight in gold. Subscribe to the channel to maximize your marketing automation. See you in the next videos.